Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how to find a Spotify Wrapped 2023. So many people are facing many problems in finding their Wrapped 2023. I'm going to show you very few steps in which you can find it very easily. For that you have to just open up your Spotify and you can see over here it has been written explore more your 2023 Wrapped. You have to click on the forward arrow and you can see over here it has been written your 2023 Wrapped. You have to click on it and your Wrapped will be played. The another method which you can just opt is you can see over here it has been written your stories. You have to click on it and your Wrapped 2023 will be played. The last method by which you can find your Wrapped is that on the very top you can see over here it has been written all music, podcast and Wrapped. You have to just click on Wrapped and you can see your 2023 Wrapped will come up over here. You have to click on it and your Wrapped will be played. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you have any query regarding this whole process, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.